Greetings and salutations, Team Scandalbag. This is Carla from MooreTalkJa, and so now today we're here to talk about the episode after the one where somebody get the gunshot, but we never know who get the gunshot. So it turned out that is James get the gunshot. So R.I.P. to James Novak. You were a two-faced, double-crossing, scheming, social climbing, annoying person, but I liked you, for want of a better word. I didn't mind you, and I thought that you made Cyrus happy. But James, while we are moved by your passing, and we are wondering where Shonda is going to kill, can we please discuss the fact that Jake has lost his mind? Actually, I could not even go through all of that. This is where I wish to start this discussion. I don't have any teams left to be on. Thanks to the vagaries of Shonda Rhimes, who has decided that she wants to leave me with not one single solitary foot, not even a toe point to catch on. I don't have any team to be on because Fitz is an idiot and Jake has gone crazy. You're looking at Jake here recently? You look in at Jake here recently, you see the living Bellevue on up in my eye till it buck. So I'm going to start designing some new teams. Team Olivia should be single. Team Olivia don't know how to choose man. Team Olivia needs a dating break. Team Olivia needs to hire a matchmaker. Team maybe Olivia should spend some time seeing about herself to understand why it is that she's fundamentally attracted to people who are crazy murderers. Jake has lost his mind. Shonda, I don't really appreciate what you are doing. And that foolishness, that one with Huckleberry Queen, don't think me never say this because Queen broke in at the safe. Huck going at the safe. I don't know how it is that Huck did know that something had gone in the safe. Apparently the air in the safe smelled used. Like he opened the safe and he could smell that somebody had inhaled some of the air that he left in there and did not replace it with like fresh oxygen. There was carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide in there. Huck realized that his Queen go over to Queen house to kill Queen. Queen see the detectives come in and Queen stand up like a real soldier in the Gideon. Then Queen Huck tell Queen that him know say Queen wanted to be rescued. That's why she leave her face there. And then Queen Huck and twang into Huck face. And that is the time when something about the texture of her saliva sliding down in nose bridge all of a sudden make Huck very, very sexually charged because Huck is going to bust a big kiss on Queen. Now, me and you know that is years Queen has been waiting on this to happen. The only reason that Queen did take up with Charlie is because she could not get up. She couldn't catch Quacker, so she kept him like a dirty, cut up, bleach out, and print with blood panic shot. You see her face when she wipe off her mouth after the kiss? And then Huck, we don't know if it is a sign that Queen is a very good kisser or a very bad kisser, but Huck, why is this the face you make after somebody kiss you? That's not an after kiss face. An after kiss face is or maybe sometimes or if it wasn't particularly good. That's the face you make when you know so them not come anywhere near your mouth area again. Like if it's a person who like when them kiss you like them have shove your like your face back down in the chair, or it's like too much space and like the kiss is ending somewhere in your neck area, you make this face. What that mean? No thank you, no thank you. But so Shonda, I've been lobbying against Huckleberry Queen for years, and I would actually prefer that you kept to what I wanted you to do. But I hear that according to Grey's Anatomy, you have a tendency to kill off people that people love. And honestly, when I saw that Huck was going towards Queen, I was hopeful that she was going to die because I think it is her time to die because she's walking around with guns and acting like she's bad. Queen, I pulled gun on Olivia. She needs to go down. And what is it with Olivia? How is it that everybody's threatening Olivia right now? Queen, I pulled gun on Olivia. Jake, I tell her I say bad things happen to good people all the time, and basically I tell her she got it. Is it because she's pregnant that everybody feel that them can't accept with her? And then might we talk about Melly? Might we talk about Team Melly? Now that Melly is no longer functioning as Fitz's wife, I like her so much more. This girl needed to go on her own because she is better as an independent agent. I mean, it's kind of like, let me see who stepped away from their singing group and started to shine. I don't want to say Beyonce because she was shining while she was inside of Destiny's Child. I'm sure that you guys are thinking of several. I'm not going to say it because then I will seem like I'm bitter and disgusting. But she has stepped away from Fitz and she's relinquished the wifedom for Olivia to take her part of it. And she's shining because she's just in there giving Fitz every type of carbohydrate. I mean, to say that she was giving bun would be one thing. To say that she was giving bun and breads and danishes would be another thing. At this point, I think that Melly is just giving Fitz starches. Like, I think I saw her give him rice. I think I saw her give him Irish potato. I think I saw her give him like yams and other complex carbohydrates. Like right at this point, Melly is giving Fitz the type of bun, the type of bread, the type of carbohydrate, the type of starch that is going to stay in the system, break down into sugar, and the sugar is going to turn into fat, and Fitz is going to gain weight off of the amount of starch that she's giving him with this young man. On this day of scandal, Melly gave to Fitz several buns of baking, enough rice or boiling, plenty danishes rising, lots of yam simmering. boiled Irish. But Nelly, I applaud you. That's right. Get your gangster boo on. Go right out there. Go shoot some things with your man and have yourself a fling. And when you are done, file for divorce and get rid of it because the man is an idiot and Mama Po. Can we talk about how you went gangster boo in that place? Can we talk about how Evan sent him little friend them because him thinks that he was a second-class citizen and you just had to bust 3 shots into one of the youth to notify Evan that he was supposed to come and then just turn around and be like, my condolences to him, but tell him to come now? When I did see how Adnan faced it, all of a sudden just look like when rain out to fall, look like when storm set up for drop. You see, you did come here and feel said that I got bad up Harrison. You come here to interfere in Pope and Associates. You dirty Adnan, not because your skin pretty and because your ear tall and your belly flat. You come here to try to mash you up, and you see, Mama Pope is coming here to bring you all down, because I know that when the Tivoli incursion was going on and it was rumored that Dudus was calling in the bad man them from all over the place to come and kill people, I know that I saw you there, Mama Pope, because you angle your gun like a pro. So when it is that Adnan or whatever she name hire you to come and work for her, and then you are going to turn on and basically tell her off run fair show, what are we to do with you? And Mama Pope, what is your point in the show at this point? Because we don't know what it is that you're here to do. I have my guess. I think that you are the natural resolution of this tension between Olivia and Fitz, because right now Fitz is the president. Olivia is the president's black concubine. If she ever get elevated, then she would become the first lady. But I think you, Mama Pope, have come to surpass all of that and become president of the United States yourself. I feel like you are planning to run for president one day. I like this episode because I didn't have to see much of Bird Beak Sally, aside from where she called and tell that one little lie. She never really come on much. But I did feel like them should have bring out the part where like Cyrus did nice to James before. Like I didn't want to see the love in their relationship coming on the flip side. I mean, I was fine with it, but I didn't really want to see it then. And also, I think that maybe we need to consider giving Cyrus an award. In real life, I feel that Cyrus deserves some type of Emmy, because I know that the actor who plays Cyrus, because I don't bother to learn the name, I feel like that man is on the verge of having a heart attack or strokes in real life because of the amount of raw, uncooked, unblanched, unpeeled, unprepared emotion. I mean, emotion in its organic state that he puts into his performances every single solitary week. And dirty Jake, how, Jake, are you gonna kill the man, then turn around and apologize to the man and tell the man sorry that you had to make his death sloppy, you had to make it look amateur, and then sit down and usher the man over into the pearly gates? You're gonna sit down and usher the man over to the other side. There. You're almost there. Like you're coming like Dr. Cooper from Big Bang Theory, just there. You're almost there. Really, like I say, you're gonna sit down. You just shot me, and then you come sit down side of me to help me go meet my maker because you think that your face, the face of the person who just shot me, is the face that I want to see right now. And Olivia, you don't think that David can take on Jake, but you think that you and David can take on B613. And no, your father just told you that if there's hope in the world, it is you. And I realize that they strategically had you have on a white coat because you couldn't wear a white hat at the time, and you are everything that's good and somebody is worth saving. But Olivia, how you and David plan to take on the whole of B613 when you're in love with one of the people who used to be the head of B613 and you are the progeny of the other person who is trying to take down the person who is now the head of B613? Like, how is it that we actually plan to sort out these things? Shonda, what about now? Because Queen I get froggy. You see Queen look like she and am tattooed. She just start get all type of froggy because everybody know, if you want somebody have sexual attention, and the somebody jump and kiss you first, you win, Whoever can manage to not kiss is the one who win. And like how Huck run go kiss off Queen with the spit run down his face. Please don't think I didn't catch that fact. By the time he was done kissing her, like a whole heap of thing where look like slobber was right here. That was literally her own spit that he was transferring back to her face. So now that Huck has kissed Queen and Queen has won the battle, who is going to win the war? Because Huck walk will look straight, and I saw the same Huck face that Huck usually make come across Jake's face. So all this time we thought that Huck was the crazy person, was actually Jake. Shonda, you know have one of like your mid-season break them come. You know have like them have some public holiday or something that come where you need to take a break for, because honestly you tired me out every week. You tired me out every week. Mama Pope face just keep getting fiercer and fiercer, and her beauty marks and stuff just getting more and more flawless. And I don't really know where to go from here. Everybody dirty, everybody is a murderer. Melly finally I give fix the carbohydrate. I feel say you need to just dissolve the whole of this, give Melly her own spin-off. Make Olivia go on her pregnancy leave, just cancel Fitz and never put him on television again. I would make a religious fundamentalist show that is hosted by Sally and her child. Like, my feel said that you need to do, Shanna, because I actually can't go any further with you. Look here, I don't know if you're telling her to look out for next week. My feel said I'm going to show him more about Harrison and the girl next week. And my feel said the girl I got dead, the Adnan girl. My feel said I'm going to kill her off because she try to complicate her life. I want Hope and Associates get a client that is not related to the president. Like, I miss them time when the storyline never revolves so much about like Ron Fitz and them, something that like I want come out to the White House. Like, we're always adjacent to the White House, but one with more adjacent. We want the White House in the cul-de-sac and we the up at the top of the road, like right where the sign there. You know, them type of thing here. In the meantime, loving yourself, take care of yourself, love up on one another and all of those types of things. Alright, here, if you don't want me, you know where to find me at More Mayhem on Twitter, Facebook.com/MooreTalkJa. Big ups to everybody who supported me when I was on Smile Jamaica. I know the link is not working, so I asked them if they can fix it. If they cannot fix it, then me will just find somebody, and the two of we will just reenact the entire interview, including the part where I tell them about my foot and them zoom in for my shoes. Yeah, reenact the whole thing just for you because you're my massive and I love you. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Remember, try to jiggle the handle before you call your mother and tell her that the toilet cannot flush. Goodbye.